That sucked. Just smash it. Oh crap, I missed it. Oh my god. Wait, let me see it. Oh my god. Crap, what the heck? Okay, throw it against the wall. Throw it against the wall.
No, Andrew, stop.
Throw it.
So much stuff that we're gonna have to pick up there.
Okay, Andrew, start throwing it.
No. Then we're gonna have to clean up all this stuff. Okay. Yeah.
Hang on.
Okay, go. Wait, stand back.
Oh, let's take a look at damage.
Yes. Okay, just give me it.
Oh my god.
Just give me it. Just give me it.
Yeah.
Let me try something. Can I smash it once?
Oh my god, guys, get out of the way. It's probably gonna hit me. Where the heck did it go? Yeah, that's a good way.
Guys, person.
People!
Person.
On the people! There's people coming. Get in the trash can! Get in the trash can! Get in the trash can! Go!
Go! Hurry up! They're over there! No! Here, I'll look here. Stinks in here.
They go in the garbage can. Dude, wait, that's a recycle. It's not supposed to stink. Just throw the alarm clock in there.